Your website is equipped with a powerful form plugin called SureForms. And SureForms allows you to create web forms that look stunning without knowing how to code. So here we're on our website. Let's go to the contact page. And as you can see here, we already have a form pre-installed. Now to edit this form, let's go back to our dashboard. Then go to SureForms, Forms, and here is our contact form. So to edit, click on Edit. Now let me close this. And here we can see our fields. Now here on the left side, you see a bunch of blocks that we can add. And we can add even more if you click on the plus sign here. Now let's make it simple. Let me select my field here. And I'm just going to click on a text block. So here it is. Now, if I want to delete a block, all I need to do is click on the three dots and hit delete. I can also hover over my block here, click on the three dots and duplicate. So for example, I can rename the first one to first name and the second one to last name. I can also change the width. So by clicking here on the field, let me choose 50% and same for the second one, 50%. Now let me hit save. And now if I go back to the front end and refresh, there you go. You can see the changes reflected here. SureForms also comes with AI capabilities. So if you go to SureForms, Forms, then click on Add New Form, we can generate with AI. So let me do this. Now you get a bunch of AI generations even with the free version of SureForms. Next, describe the form you want to create. So here I've pasted a description. Next, click on Generate Form. And there you go. In just a few seconds, this is what we have. Full name, email address, phone number, and service you're interested in. This was part of my prompt. Now, every time you click on one of the elements, you have options here on the right-hand side that you can change. Now, these options are pretty self-explanatory. Now, let's click here on the Submit button. And then here, so I'm in the Style tab, and I'm going to click on the Button sub-tab. And here where you see button alignment, I'm going to make it full width. Next, I'm going to click on Publish and publish one more time. And before we move on, let me show you something. So right here, you see email notification. And if I click on it, I can click on the pencil icon. And by default, it's going to send all the email notifications to the WordPress administrator email. But you can change this. All you need to do is just remove this, and then you can add a different email address. You can even add more than one, just make sure it's comma separated. Now, let me go back here. Then I'm going to hover over the name of my website, click on Visit Site, then go to the contact page and click on Edit Page. So let me scroll down, and here we can see a shortcode for the SureForm we currently have, but we want to change it. So I'm just going to click here on the shortcode, hit the three dots, scroll down and hit delete. And next I'm going to click on the plus sign here. And I'm just going to start typing SureForms. So here it is. Let me click on it. And now I can select the form. So click on the drop down and here it is. Design Services Inquiry Form. Click on Choose. And here is our form. So let me hit save. And now if I go back to the front end and refresh, there you go. You can see our inquiry form. Now let's pretend we are a potential customer. So we get to the website, we go to the contact page, and now it's time to fill in that form. So I'm just going to fill it in. And there you go. Now once a form is filled in, as we saw, a notification email is sent. But not only. So if we go back to the WordPress admin, let's go to SureForms, Entries. And as you can see, each form entry is also stored right here in the WordPress admin. Now, one of the great features of SureForms is called Instant Form. And that's awesome if you just want to create a quick form and you want to share it easily without having to create a full page. For example, if we go back to our Design Services Inquiry form, you can see here in the top right corner, Instant Form. So let me click on it. And first of all, you need to enable the Instant Form. And next you can enable Preview. And there you go. Here is a page that we can share as is. Congratulations, you can now easily create stunning web forms in no time with SureForms. But if you need any help, take a look at our knowledge base if you need a quick answer to any questions you may have about SureForms. And if you want to know more about SureForms, you may want to take a look at this video on the Brainstorm Force YouTube channel.